Hi again, so it's Amanda from Creative Pouring. Hope you're all well. So I'm going to do another swipe as a sort of companion piece to my previous video. And so this is on a 20" by 8". It's quite deep edge canvas, you can see. And I've just covered the back and put some push pins in. Move that out of the way. So my colours are as the same ones, so I've still got on the left, which is like a sky blue, a plain black. These are all three, oh gosh, extreme sheens. What have we got? So we've got bronze there, which did take over the last one, so I'm not going to put as much as that on. The deep sapphire, which is beautiful, and of course the famous extreme sheen 24K carat. So they're all those little ones there. So I'm just going to coat this canvas with my black and my blue, and I should be back in one moment. There we go. Okay, so I have, last time I did sort of 2/3 black and 1/3 blue, and so I'm doing it the other way around this time. And I am going to swipe one way and then the other. So now, last time this bronze took over a little bit, so I'm only going to do a little swipe there, a little one there, and a little one there. And I'm going to see what that happens. And then I'm going to do a little blue there, another little blue there, and a blue, and then I'm going to do more gold on this one because I really do love my gold, especially the extreme sheens. I'm going to do quite a big one in the middle, and then let's see what we pick up. Okay, I've also decided to do one big swipe rather than the little ones, because I mucked it up so many times last time. So I'm just going to turn this down round so it's easy for me to swipe. Right, can you see that? Yes, I think you can. Right, here we go. So I'm going to do with the paper towel, I'm just going to wet the end like that. Just tap that off, that's far too much water. Far too much. Okay, now then, I'm just going to do one big one. So let's get this unfolded. Here we go. Let's see what this is like. So I'm going to whack it in that gold there. So that's what I don't like about paper towels. Come on, get in there. You all in? Okay, right, now slowly pull down. Bit wobbly. Get down off the edge. Perfect. Okay, I'll just leave that there. Liking that already. Bear with me. Just going to turn it round and do the same on the black side. So I'm going to turn this the way over. Right way. Oh no, I can't use that one. That's far too mucky. Right, here we go. Let's do another one. Just dip it in some water. Just squash it out a little bit. Okie dokie. That looks much better. Okay, into the gold. And I might have to do that one again. Straight back in to the gold this time. Need to do a bit more gold. That's there, and a bit more blue, I think, and a bit more of everything. Not really coming through as much as I wanted it to. A bit of the blue. And then baby bit, just a little bit more. I missed that one a little bit. Okay, let's try that again. And the gold. Oh, come on. And the gold. There, that's better. And that's better. Okay. Right. Let us see if we can see. So there's no silicone in this paint. It is just Floetrol Liquitex. What that is there. Coming out. Well, that's bizarre. Absolutely no cells coming up with this one. Isn't that weird? Lots of cells with the other one. How bizarre is that? Huh. Oh, something not quite right there, is there? How bizarre. Let me just squeeze it up and down a bit, just sometimes that helps with creating a bit of cells if you move the paint. And I don't mind that line getting a bit more mobile, if you get what I mean. There's nothing coming up. Well, that's very odd. Very odd indeed. Right, let's give it a little bit more of a torch. Let's see if something happens. Well, something's happening there a little bit. Come on, my little extreme sheen, you can do better than this. Absolutely nothing. Wow. How bizarre. Absolutely nada niente. Right, I'm going to have to leave it for a little bit, but I am going to put, because I wanted to match that other one, I'm going to put like a little black like river through it. So I liked just to make it match the other one, although the other one's got more cells, obviously. This one's got nada niente. How bizarre! How bizarre, bizarre, bizarre. And it's the same paint. I've done nothing to it apart from leave it overnight. Wow. I mean, it's okay. Let's leave it for 10-15 minutes, and I will come back and see if anything's happened. Okay, see you in a bit. There you go. So this is 10-15 minutes later, and we do have some cells in the black there. Just come down a little bit I've got my light on, so because I'm doing this in the early evening, so there's not much light coming in. So lovely cells coming up there, and then going down. I have to excuse that light. I'll just put my hand over it. Oh, you can't see. I'll move it that way. There's a few cells there, look, with the sapphire, and a couple down there, but apart from that, it's not a lot, especially in this part here. But I do really quite like it. I like this time the blue, the light blue is shown through. So anyway, I should take some photographs, and I will wait until it's dry and show you when it's dry as well. Okay, see you later. There you go. So this is the dried version of the blue-black swipe. Starting from the top in the black area, we did get those cells there, which are really nice, quite subtle as such. And then going into the blue, we only got those blue sapphire cells towards the end there on the right. But it's quite shimmery. I think it looks really pretty. And then let me just get the next one, the other one, which I did previously, which was the first one I did, which had those really bronze cells that took over. So there you go. I quite like them as a pair. I might have another try, but I was a little bit disappointed, maybe because I don't use you know, just the Floetrol with the Deco Art. I don't know. Anyway, I shall have another go at something similar. I hope you like these, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.